Welcome to my channel, Living Your Best Life, and I'm Cindy Smaha. And I'm so excited today because we are going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. So this is going to be lots of fun, and it is the last boxes for 2022. So before we get into the unboxing, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right next to it so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will show you at the end of the video how to enter the giveaway. And it's going to be some really good stuff. Okay, so now let's get into the unboxing. Now, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service. I can't say that well today. Subscription service that has makeup, hair products, skin products. They even have different tools for your hair, skin tools, makeup brushes, everything. It's just wonderful. And there's the base box, which I believe is around $28. There is the premium box, which is $39. And then 4 times a year, you can also get the Boxy Luxe. And today we're going to be opening the premium and the Boxy Luxe. So I'll do the premium first. And I love this little card. It says, "'Tis the season for being extra." And you noticed I've got red, 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 red. I don't normally wear red, but I am today. Okay, so the premium box also has 6, and these are full-size products. I mean, it's pretty nice. The Boxy Luxe has 8 full-size products. So let's do the first product. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's called Make Serum Balm. I got another one like this in my previous BoxyCharm that was a pink shade, and it is so beautiful. It's very much like a gloss, and I'll just pull it out because it's really pretty sheer, as you can see. And but it's so nice on your lips, and you can use it as a topper. It's so nice. And that one retails for $26. All right, the next one is oh, this is really neat. City of London Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. Yeah. And I haven't used this one yet. I really do want to. But look at that beautiful packaging. That is just gorgeous. I love it. And yeah, it smells like watermelon. I don't know if I want my face to smell like watermelon or not, but I give it a shot. And that one retails for $22. Great. The next product is called Illuminata from La Luz. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And it is a liquid bronzer and a superstar shimmer. I have not tried this yet, but the packaging is super gorgeous. It's so nice. Look at that. This one retails for, let's see, $32. The next one we have is BFC, and these are eyeliners, and it's Beauty for Certain. It's a perfect collab, and it has, I won't open it up, but it has black eyeliner and also gold eyeliner, so pretty nice. This is going to be included in the giveaway. Ooh, this is Complex Culture, and these are eyeshadow brushes. And I won't open this up either because this is going to be included in the giveaway. Oh, the liner cost was $38. Wow, that's really good. And the Complex Culture Trio eyeshadow brushes is $40. So again, that's going to be included in the giveaway. And lastly, this is Tres Luce Beauty. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And again, I don't want to open this up because it's going to be included in the giveaway. So it's going to be a pretty nice giveaway for December. And this one retails for $35. Box for the premium cost $193. Pretty nice for 6 products, full-size products, name brand products, and very good products. So I'm really thrilled with this BoxyCharm one, and I'm thrilled for you that I get to share it with you. So I'm so excited about that. And thank you so much, I should say, for the ones who have won and gotten your giveaways, your prizes. It is so much fun to hear from you and say you got it and you love it, and that just makes my day. It really does. All right, so that is the premium box. Now let's get into the Boxy Luxe. Okay, so this is a much bigger card. There are 8 full-size products in here. So let's get into the first one, and I am going to be using this. This is called Dew of the Gods, and I'm sure you've heard that brand, Weekend Glow Challenge. And so Saturday is a cold elixir made from squalene and citrus extract designed to hydrate, tone, and restore bounce to your skin. Then Sunday is a restorative and preventative skin cocktail formulated with retinol, hyaluronic acid to heal and repair. I need that. Okay, and that retails for $40. Holy cow. The next one, Dear Midnight Set to Last Setting Spray. And here we go. Set to Last Setting Spray. And I need Set to Last. Let's open that up because I haven't opened this one up yet. Ooh, wow. Look at that packaging. I hope you can see it. It is just gorgeous. Very nice. Let me spray. Ooh. Oh, it smells really good too. So that one, and it retails for $30. Very nice. Okay. Next one. Oh, I am just floored about this one. I am so excited to be able to use this. I put a little swatchy on my hand, and I'll do that again. Fenty Beauty. Stunna Lip Paint Long Wear Fluid Lip Color. And this is absolutely gorgeous. It's in Uncuffed number 3. I like the wording on that. Look at this packaging. Look at that. That is so gorgeous. Now I'll put a little swatchy on the back of my hand. And again, oh wow, look at the pigment on that. Oh, I love that. That is so beautiful. Can't wait to try that out. And that retails for $26. So thank you, Rihanna. That's gorgeous. The next one we have is extremely interesting. This is called Youthforia BYO Blush. Now, the fun thing about this, I haven't heard of the brand before. Youthforia. Cool. This is a color-changing blush. It comes on, I think this is green, the color of the glass itself. So it's really nice packaging, very nice. And it goes on, here I'll put it right next to this. It goes on semi-clear, but if you watch it, it turns into a pretty pink. See, because it's color changing. I'm like, wow, this is really cool. Because see, it goes on clear, and depending on your pH in your skin, it turns to that. So I can't wait to use that one too. It's really cool. The next, oh, and the price on that is $36. Wow. All right, the next one is, oh, I have tried this one. This is super duper nice, and I'm gonna try it later. This is Rodial, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Dragon's Blood Micellar Cleansing Water. The neat thing about this, it has hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. And from my skin video, which I'll link down below, that explains what hyaluronic acid can do for you, and niacinamide actually encourages collagen production, and I put niacinamide under my eyes to thicken and add more collagen production there. So this is super cool, and this does have a beautiful package. Look at this, and it's huge. Look at that. I'm loving that. And it has this really cool where you pump it and just the amount comes at the top. It's really neat. It's very, very cool. So that one retails for $45. All right, now the next one. Okay. Ooh, this is nice. I'm liking this. And I have heard of Mally Beauty before, and not in a BoxyCharm, but at, I think they're at Ulta. But these are gorgeous. Watch this. Look at those shades. Aren't those beautiful? And oh, I'm loving this one right there. It's not too coming out. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that gold. Probably should have used this palette. Ooh, that's gorgeous. And ooh, let's do one more here. Ooh, nice dark. It's got a green, bluish kind of color on it, and they are beautiful. Can't wait to use those. And the retail price on that is $45. Wowzers. Next one. Oh, this is what I've been waiting for. Is, oh, I should show you the package. Tarts. Now this is super nice. I've got another one that's a little light for me right now. And this one I think was a little dark because it's light medium. I'm usually more of a light right now in the winter time. But it's called Hydro Flex Tarte C. And it's a serum foundation, which is really neat. And let's see. Oh my gosh, I can't read this. Anyway, it's a serum foundation, and it's Tarte, which is, you know, I love Tarte. I love Tarte. And that retails for $39. And the last one, which I have tried this, and this is really good. I'm sure you've heard of Herbivore. Okay. And oops, I should do it like that. Herbivore. Okay. And it is called Cloud Jelly, Vegan Collagen and Chamela. So it's plumping hydration serum, and that retails for $48. Let's take it out. Sorry, I just love this part. Take it out. Take a look. Ooh. That's so pretty. And again, it's a serum, so it's gonna be pretty. All right. Ooh, boy, that goes on really nice. Look at that. Very pretty. And again, that retails for $48. The total amount for this, drum roll please, is $309 for this. So it definitely pays for itself. So that's exciting. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Now let's get into the giveaway. You've seen several of the products already. So it's the BFF eyeliner. So it's black eyeliner in gold. Okay. And the Complex Culture Trio eyeshadow brushes. And the Trace Luce Beauty Midnight Deseos eyeshadow palette. So there's those. You've heard that. Now, get into another one. Complex Culture Mascara. Okay, and this is in black. It's 5-in-1 lengthening mascara. So that's that part. Ooh, here's a nice one. We are going to get it. It's called Sculpt, Lift, and Bar from Skin Incorporated. So it's the little T-bar. It's got, you put, I think it's AA batteries in it because I've got like 4 of them. And it just feels so good massaging your face. So that's that one. And then the last one, which I hope you really like, is this curling iron. Pretty neat. And it is from, and I'm not taking it out. Again, I want to keep this sanitary. Sutra Beauty, 19 millimeters, 0.75 inches, mini ceramic curling iron with cool tip. So it's that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will enter the giveaway. So how you enter the giveaway, if you've done this before, you have to put in the comments the color or type of hat, if you can see it, on my little desk right back there. So that's how you enter the giveaway. Now we will keep the giveaway open until after Christmas. So that would be, the next video would be on Monday at 4 on December 26th. So that'll be a little New Year gift for you. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love doing these for you. I love doing giveaways so that I can bless you with the wonderful things that I've gotten. And again, if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right next to it and become part of the Living Your Best Life family. So I hope you have a beautiful and wonderful and safe holiday season. And I'll see you next week, Monday at 4. Have a great week. Bye-bye.